Learn English conversation for beginners. Conversation 1. Meeting for the first time. Hello, my name is Smith. What's your name?
Hi, Smith. I'm Molika. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Molika. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from Japan. Do you live in Canada now?
No, I live in New York now. I moved here last year.
Oh, that's interesting. Do you like New York?
Yes, I do. It's a big city with many things to do. Do you like Japan?
Yes, I love Japan. It's my home.
That's nice. Well, it was nice talking to you, Smith.
You too, Molika. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Conversation 2. At a coffee shop. Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning. Yes, please. I would like a coffee.
What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like milk or sugar?
Yes, please. Milk and 1 sugar.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes. Do you have any cookies?
Yes, we do. We have chocolate chip cookies and oatmeal cookies.
I'll take 1 chocolate chip cookie, please.
Perfect. That will be $5.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your coffee and cookie. Enjoy.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. You too. Conversation 3. Talking about family. Hi, Molika. How are you today?
Hi, Smith. I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm great. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 1 brother and 1 sister. How about you?
I have 2 sisters. No brothers.
Oh, nice. Are your sisters older or younger than you?
One is older and one is younger. What about your brother and sister?
My brother is older and my sister is younger.
Do you live with your family?
No, I live alone now, but I visit them every weekend.
That's good. Family is important.
Yes, it is. Do you live with your family?
Yes, I still live with my parents and my younger sister.
That's nice.
Conversation 4. Talking about hobbies. Hi, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books. How about you?
I like to play sports. Do you play any sports?
Not really. I'm not very good at sports. What sports do you play?
I play basketball and soccer. They're my favorite sports.
That sounds fun. What kind of books do you like to read?
I'm sorry, I asked you that question. What kind of books do you like?
I like mystery books and science fiction. They're very interesting.
Cool. Maybe I should try reading more books.
Yes, and maybe I should try playing sports.
That's a good idea. We can learn from each other.
I agree.
Conversation 5 at school. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. You can sit here.
Thank you. Are you in Professor Johnson's class?
Yes, I am. Is this your first class with her?
Yes, it is. Is she a good teacher?
Yes, she's very good. She explains things clearly.
That's good to hear. What's your name?
I'm Molika. What's your name?
I'm Smith. Nice to meet you, Molika.
Nice to meet you too, Smith. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain. How about you?
I'm from here, from New York.
Oh, can you help me if I have questions about the class?
Of course. I'd be happy to help you.
Thank you so much. You're very kind.
No problem. That's what classmates are for.
Conversation 6 at the grocery store. Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
The milk is in aisle 5 on the left side.
Thank you. And where is the bread?
The bread is in aisle 3 near the front of the store.
Great. Do you work here?
No, I don't. I shop here often, so I know where things are.
Oh, I see. You're very helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you new here?
Yes. I just moved to this neighborhood last week.
Welcome to the neighborhood. This is a good store. The prices are reasonable.
That's good to know. Thank you for the information.
No problem. Enjoy your shopping.
Thank you. You too. Conversation 7, talking about the weather. Good morning. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The sun is shining and it's warm.
I love this weather. Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I do. But I also like rainy days sometimes.
Really? Why do you like rainy days?
I like the sound of rain. It's relaxing. How about you?
I prefer sunny days. I like to go outside and walk in the park.
That sounds nice. The weather forecast says it will be sunny all week.
Perfect. That's great news.
Yes, let's enjoy the good weather while it lasts.
Absolutely. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Conversation 8, making plans. Hi, Molika. What are you doing this weekend?
Hi, Smith. I don't have any plans yet. Why?
Would you like to go to the movies with me?
That sounds fun. What movie do you want to see?
There's a new action movie. Are you interested?
Yes, I love action movies. What time?
How about Saturday at 7 p.m.?
Saturday at 7 p.m. works for me. Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the cinema at 6:45 p.m.
Perfect. I'll see you there.
Great. See you on Saturday.
See you then. Bye.
Bye. Conversation 9, at a restaurant. Good evening. Table for two?
Yes, please. By the window if possible.
Of course. Follow me, please. Here's your table.
Thank you. This is perfect.
Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I'd like water, please. And my friend would like orange juice.
Certainly. I'll be right back with your drinks. A few minutes later. Here are your drinks. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables.
Excellent choice. And for your friend?
She'll have the pasta with tomato sauce.
Perfect. Your food will be ready in about 15 minutes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. Conversation 10, asking for directions. Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for the library. Do you know where it is?
Yes. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left.
Turn left after 2 blocks?
That's right. The library will be on your right side.
How far is it from here?
It's about a 10-minute walk.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you need anything else?
No, that's all. You've been very helpful.
Happy to help. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you so much for watching English Conversation Practice for Beginners. 10 Real-Life Situations. I hope these conversations helped you improve your English speaking skills. Practice these dialogues every day, and you'll become more confident in English. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the English audiobook library for more conversation lessons. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Happy learning!